Are you feeling overwhelmed by the world of essential oils and struggling to find the right ones for your stress, or tired of products that don't deliver results? You're not alone. Many people face confusion and uncertainty when starting their essential oil journey. But at AJ's Infusions, we believe in making it simple. We're here to provide high quality, effective essential oils that transform your wellness routine. Let's remove the guesswork and bring clarity, calmness, and confidence to your self-care. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Essential Wellness Podcast by AJ's Infusions, and I am your host, Jenice Story, and I am thrilled to guide you on how essential oils can elevate your wellness. So whether you're new to essential oils or already a fan, this is the place for you for natural wellness insights. So today we're tackling something we all need: finding balance in our lives. Work, family, social life, and self-care can feel overwhelming, but essential oils can help bring back that harmony. One of my favorite blends for calm is lavender and frankincense. Lavender's soothing qualities combined with frankincense's grounding effect make for a calming duo. I use this during the evening, meditation, or in a roller blend bottle for on-the-go support. I actually also have a spray that I use. Morning chaos, right? Peppermint oil is perfect for getting an energizing start. I use our AJ's Infusions lip butter scrub with the peppermint every morning and at night. It's refreshing. It helps me kickstart my day. For emotional balance during life's challenges, grounding oils like Vetiver and Cedarwood are game changers. I often breathe in Vetiver for a quick reset. And self-care doesn't have to be fancy. Our AJ's Infusions lip butter scrub with the lavender, peppermint, and the frankincense makes even a quick moment feel luxurious and grounding. So as we wrap up, remember to give yourself grace. Wellness is a journey, and every small step matters. Visit ajsinfusions.com for resources, guides, and our products. Connect with me on social media and share your wellness rituals. Thank you for joining the Essential Wellness Podcast. Breathe deeply, embrace the wellness, and let nature's gifts guide your path. And until next time, take care. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell for all notifications. How do you use essential oils to find balance in your life? Share your favorite blends, rituals, or any other tips that you have. Comment below. Shop now at ajsinfusions.com. Scan the QR code for the new website.